Hi guys, it's Clarice and today we're going to be doing this flower. So stay tuned. All the products that I use was out of Michael's. This is the foam roll right here and this is the leaf that I cut. I just kind of freestyled the leaf from the foam roll, okay? So you can just look at the way I cut it and you can cut it out. Pre-cut all of your leaves at one time so that you can go ahead and do all of them at one time. Now right here is the heat gun I bought from Michael's as well. I think I paid about $49 and this is kind of like a blow dryer but it's different. You see the orange part? That's the heat that comes out of it. You want to roll the edge of the leaf like back and forth and it's going to form that roll right there, okay? And then you're going to go down the center and fold it in half. You're going to pre-do all your leaves like that and just sit your leaves aside. Leave them folded, but don't open them up. But I'm going to show you how I do this one for the initial one. So we're going to glue gun this right here. You're going to cut it down about 3 inches and glue gun it, fold it over so it creates dimension. And then we're going to just kind of roll the petal over with the heat gun like that. And so now you see me just doing all of my petals all at one time because I like to go ahead and get it done and get it out of the way. It is so relaxing when you're doing this. You'll see. Just set your podcast, whatever, listen to something, and it's so easy. It's so relaxing when you're doing this. So this is the canvas that I'm using. The only reason that I got it this big because I wanted it to be like a wall piece in the living room, but it was buy one get one free. So this is what I'm using. The glitter, this is like some silver chips. All of this was bought out of Michael's and some crushed caramel color glass. Okay, so I mix them all together, and what using right here is the Mod Podge, and you want to just paint it on there. What you can use is like the painter's tape if you want to. I painted it down the center. I pre-measured it with a pencil so you can't really see the line, but I painted it with the Mod Podge. So this is what it looks like. Very, very easy to do after you pour the glitter on top of that. So now you see me glue gunning the petals. So I'm going to start out by glue gunning 4 of the petals right in each section, right? And then I'm going to just kind of put one in between. So it's kind of like bricklayering. You're going to put it in between. And all I'm using is the glue gun to pre-glue all the petals that I already did. So that's why it's good to go ahead and just do all of your petals at one time. So that's what you see here. So I'm gluing the petals. And in some areas, I'm just really stacking them. And eventually once I get right now I'm just putting them in there just to see what it's going to look like, to see how many petals I actually want to use. Once I stuff it inside and I'm not gluing it at this point, is then I know how many I want to use. So now I'm gonna begin to stack them and I see how I have to. So if you notice the ones that I'm putting in right now, they're kind of standing up rather than laying down how I did the initial, like the first ones. And I continue to check. So that's what I'm doing right here with all the petals that I pre-did. Checking to see how is it gonna fit. And so it looks really big, but if you push them like how I am, you see how I'm stacking them very close to each other, they're all going to fit. So it depends on how you want your rose to be. If you don't want it as full, you won't use as many petals, but I wanted it really full. If you notice, it's starting to get very full and I'm just packing them in, and it's just the glue gun. And so this is the finished result of how it looked, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All of the stuff I bought was from Michael's, and this is Clarice, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.